Learn precision manufacturing skills and start a rewarding career in machine tool technology and quality assurance. At Hennepin Technical College, you'll gain the hands-on training needed for in-demand jobs in a thriving market.
The career is huge. We need more people in the industry, so every 4 people that retire, there's only 1 to replace them.
Experts in the industry will teach you quality control and assurance methods in manufacturing. Develop skills that employers demand, ensuring you're job ready after graduation.
My dad and uncle both came here, so they said that this would be a good school to look at because it had a lot of opportunities. The machine and tool program looked interesting.
I love it. I am more of a hands-on person. I love working with my hands and getting my hands on the tools and the process of everything.
Machine tool skills are critical in a multitude of industries, including automotive, aerospace, medical devices, and consumer goods. Start your journey today at Hennepin Tech.